Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 10 assignment of the course cloud computing. So guys, for the past 5 years we have been giving solutions for various NPTEL courses. So for this year also we are continuing to post these videos guys. So I tried my best to give you the most accurate solution. If you differ with any of my solutions, you can please give your opinion in the comment section. So definitely subscribe our channel, like this video and please share that with your friends and classmates guys. Let's see the first question. Post-copy and pre-copy migration approaches are employed in which type of process, which type of migration process? So for first question, the answer is option A guys, live migration process. Live migration process. So mark option A guys. Next, moving on to the second question now. Second one. Kubernetes operates at the hardware level. Is the statement true or false? At the hardware level. So this is absolutely false statement, guys. It operates at container level, right? But they have given hardware level, so it is absolutely wrong. That means option B, false, is the correct option. Next, third question, guys. Third question. What are the key advantages of Docker? So key advantages of Docker. So there are three key advantages, guys. So the first one is option A, facilitating microservices, option B, modeling networks, and option C as well, that is packaging software. So all these three options are correct only, guys. Option A, B, and C. So mark all these three options. Next, fourth question. So fourth one, which of the following statements is most probable about, most appropriate about Docker? So before getting to know this solution, I want to make a small announcement, guys. So that is regarding cloud computing exam preparation MCQs, guys. So we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs. So here we are providing a huge number of 300 MCQs, guys. That means which is almost equal to 3 years of NPTEL questions. So 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF link. So for one person it is just 300 rupees, guys, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500, guys. If your friends or classmates doing the same course along with you, then you can form a group and you can take it combinedly for 500. You can share that 500 among yourselves. Even if you are one person, no need to worry, you are getting it for just 300 rupees for one person only. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience we have prepared this, guys. So these are the combinations of previous year's assignments questions as well as our own hand prepared questions, guys. So these are the perfect combination of both. We covered all the 12 weeks, guys. So you can happily take this 300 MCQs pack. Already last time many students have taken our pack and got benefited and got very good reviews from them, guys. And this year also many students have taken our pack, guys. So they started preparing for the final exam and hope you will also take it and prepare for the final exam, guys. So this is the mail ID. If you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys. So if you want to know the payment procedure, mail me to this email ID and make payment, guys. That's it. You'll get, we will give access to you for your email ID. So this is the mail ID, guys, bk179417@gmail.com. You can mail me to this email ID. So remember, guys, only if you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys. For any other doubts, you can ask me in the YouTube comment section itself. And there is second pack, that is YouTube membership pack. Here you will get only 100 plus MCQs, but for one person it is just 89 rupees only, guys, which is available in only in video format and for 1 month. So if you want this, this is a sample pack. So if you want this sample YouTube membership pack, you have to join our channel as a member. So for that, just go to our channel page. So this is the channel page, guys, S Kumar Edu, and beside this subscribe button there is a join button. So click on that join button and a window will appear like this. So select the second one, second pack, 89 per month pack, and again click on join and make payment directly to YouTube, guys. That's it. You'll become a member of our channel and you can get access to all of these members only videos. So here is a column, right? Members only videos. We have uploaded cloud computing as well. So here you can see part 2 prepared and part 1 also prepared, guys. So you can get all these videos for 89 rupees only combinedly. So my suggestion is it's better to take this 300 MCQs pack because you are getting a huge number of MCQs. So no other channel is providing these number of MCQs and not even MCQs, guys. Only our channel is prepared in order to make help the students to prepare for the final exam. So you may not have time to prepare for all the subjects. So we have collected this 300 MCQs pack, guys. But my suggestion is it's better to take this 300 MCQs pack rather than this membership, YouTube membership, because you are getting more MCQs and most of the syllabus covered. So for one person it is 300 rupees, guys. For 2 to 5 persons it is 500. So if you want this PDF pack, you have to mail me to this email ID asking for the procedure and the subject and how many persons access you want. So if you want to take YouTube membership, no need to mail me. You can directly go to YouTube channel and click on join button and select 89 pack and join, guys. No need to mail me and no need to message me. But my suggestion is it's better to take this PDF pack, 300 MCQs Google Drive PDF pack. For that you have to mail me to this email ID. I'll give this same email ID in the description box and also in the comment section, guys. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So for fourth question, the answer is option C, guys. Docker is a platform that allows to build, ship and run apps. So mark option C as correct answer for fourth question. Next, fifth one, guys. Fifth question. In Docker utility, what is a collection of file system layers and some metadata together can be spun up as a Docker containers? So for fifth question, the answer is option D, image, guys. Docker image. So mark option D as correct answer for fifth question. Next, sixth one, guys. Sixth question. Containers are similar to VMs, but they have unrelaxed isolation properties to share the operating system among the applications. So for sixth question, the answer is, the statement is absolutely false, guys. So the answer is option B, false. So mark option B as correct answer for sixth question. Now, seventh one. Choose the most appropriate option. So statement 1, container is a lightweight virtualization technique. And statement 2, container contains the code and all its dependencies. So both these statements are also correct only, guys. So the answer is, the correct option is option C. Both statement 1 and 2 are true. Option C. Next, eighth one. Eighth one. Private Docker registry is a service that stores Docker images. So for eighth question, it is option A, true, guys. Option A, true. Next, ninth one. Ninth one. Docker builds offer enhanced reproducibility and replicability compared to the conventional development approaches. So for ninth question, also it is true statement only, guys. Option A, true, is the correct option. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one. So before getting into this 10th question, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So for the course cloud computing, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs. Here you are going to get a huge number of 300 MCQs within a Google Drive PDF link, guys. So for one person it is just 300 rupees only, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500, guys. So if you have a group of friends or classmates doing the same course along with you, you can take as a group, guys, 2 to 5 persons as a group, and you can get it overall for 500 rupees only for 5 members including. And if you are only one person, no need to worry, you can get it for 300 rupees only, 300 MCQs. Last time it is 500. So in order to reduce the burden on students, we have reduced the price from 500 to 300 only for one person, guys. So this is the mail ID if you want to purchase. I'll give the same email ID in the description box as well. So, and there is second pack, sample pack, guys. If you want this, go to our channel and join our pack, our channel as a member. But my suggestion is it's better to take this 300 MCQs PDF Google Drive link pack PDF. So now let's get back to the final solution. 10th one, given the VM memory size of 1024 GB and the transmission rate of 16 MB per second, what are the total migration time and downtime for non-live VM migration? So for 10th and final question of the assignment, the answer is option B, 18 hours, guys. 18 hours, 18 hours. So option B is the probable solution for 10th question. So friends, these are the solutions for week 10 assignment of cloud computing course. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share that with your friends and classmates. And don't forget to take this 300 MCQs pack, guys. This is very helpful for you for the preparation for the final exam. So mail me to this email ID if you want to purchase this 300 MCQs pack, guys. So remember, only if you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.